the people we see on the TV, on the movies. What's got them that job? What set them apart? And do you think it really is some unique talent, or is it someone like yourself who's got the contacts and the abilities to take and make or break someone? Tell me, when I do these, I always like to try and find parallels from my guest life or my guest business and experience, and translate those over to, let's say, more generic business. And when I knew I was talking to you, one of the things that kind of has always interested me is, when you are the talent, be an actor, a singer, a model, whatever. How much of your success is really down to the talent, and how much is down to, I guess, being in the right place at the right time, having the right management team, etc. And I guess, for me, the parallels to that in business would be that, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an accountant, or whatever your skill set is, I kind of believe that once you've hit a certain level of competency, you're probably at a level, against, the top 1% or top 10%, or whatever number we want to use. But, the people who really excel in their career from then on have excelled for reasons other than the underlying talent. And it's always a curiosity to me, the people we see on the TV, on the movies. What's got them that job? What set them apart? And do you think it really is some unique talent, or is it someone like yourself who's got the contacts and the abilities to take and make or break someone?
I think it's a combination of many facets. It's a combination of, obviously, at the very core, it has to be great talent. Whatever you do, you have to have talent. And if you're going to rise to the top and stay at the top, there has to be some authenticity in what you do. And I don't mean by that an authenticity in one particular way, because your authenticity, it depends on what you do. I'll give you examples. If you're a Shakespearean actor, you've got to have authenticity in the world of serious acting. If you're an influencer like Kim Kardashian, you have authenticity in the world you live in. And so what doesn't work is if you try and break into another field in where you have no relevance or authenticity, or rather it's much harder. People can break into other fields and extend the reach of their career, but very quickly, if you're going to continue in that career or that area, you've got to develop authenticity so people can believe that you're the right person for that. I mean, clearly, right place, right time. If you're a movie star or a movie talent, you need the right script at the right time. You can be one of the biggest talents in the world, but if your rival gets the next great script, that your rival can overtake you. So that even if you are, Daniel Craig's looking for a new job now. He's finished doing James Bond, albeit he's fantastic. Many James Bond actors, after they finish James Bond, have never replicated that success. Some have, of course, like Sean Connery. But will Daniel Craig be in the right place at the right time? Will the right script be available to elevate his career to another level and give him a new identity? Tom Cruise always seems to fall on his feet, always seems to find the right script to take his journey forward to another level. Some actors don't. So the same with singers, it's not only a question of having a wonderful voice, it's a question of finding the great songs. Are you able to write the great songs at the right time? Is the climate right for the kind of songs you do? Do you get offered the right songs? Do you get the right television appearances? Are you seen in the right company? Do you bump into the right people at the right events? It's all individual aspects that make the totality. A television presenter, it's no different. They might be very talented in front of the camera, they might be very likable, but are they going to get the right role at the right time to give her a place to shine? And that's where people like me come in, because I don't rely on luck, I create luck. So if you work with and are represented by me, you're going to be more lucky, because I'm going to bring more opportunities to your door, because I know where the opportunities are. I know the people that create the opportunities. So therefore, I can make the impossible the inevitable.